Hi. All right. So if you want to learn how to play Isabella's Lullaby on the flute, one of the first things you have to realize that the song is in three. So you know how we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 with Isabella's Lullaby. Same thing with with the Sleeping Beauty waltz from Tchaikovsky. You have to think of it in three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So that's the first thing you need to think about. And then you have a lot of new notes that are introduced in Isabella's Lullaby. So obviously we have our B flat. You know how to play B flat already. The second note of this of the Isabella Lullaby is a D natural, which you already know how to play. By the way, the square sign with the two extended vertical lines means natural. So anytime you see that, it's the letter by itself. So D. So the first two notes are B flat and D. In rhythm. The third note is an E flat. So I'll combine those first three notes. And then the fourth note is an F. You already know that. The fifth note is a high B flat. So you want to think, so you know how you can play B like this? If you push your lips forward, you can play a high B flat. So make sure that you're able to do that on flute, and now you get to hit that high B flat next. So again, the beginning of the song. So now, after that high B flat, you go into something, you would think that's an A natural, right? But because of the key signature, every A is a flat. So to play an A flat on the flute, you finger as if you're fingering a G, and you're adding this pinky right here. And then your pinky right over here. So that's an A flat, and it should sound like this. So I'm going from high B flat to A flat. So if I were to combine everything, and then after that A flat is a G flat. So you're gonna use just your ring finger, add your ring finger on, and let go of your pinky on your left hand. So, and then you know that F already. And then that last little note is D flat to F, C to E flat, and then B flat. So if I just play that first phrase, this is how that goes. So work on getting that first phrase, and then we'll move forward from there. All right?